Right, so today I'm doing an oven clean, this one, at one of my lovely customers' houses, and I just thought I'd try and make a quick video just to show you the kit I use and how I do it. So there's various different types of oven cleaner in here. They're all basically the same product for those of you who don't get that. This is the key one that I use. This is Deep Fat Fryer Cleaner. I know it looks like a very big sample, but that's the one that I'm going to be using in one of these tubs. Now the reason why there are two of these tubs is I use this one, the bottom one, is going to be used as a dip tank, which you'll see soon. And I use that to soak all the trays and racks in, that kind of thing. And that's what that's for. So what else have we got in here? Scourers, various Allen keys and tools for taking doors off and so on. Various different types of wire brush and gloves. These are my favourites, the big red gauntlets, and then just kind of brush, scrapers. Those are the kind of things that the things that I use the most, oddly enough: scourers, scrapers, cloths, and gloves. Those are the things that I will use the most, along with the oven cleaner. So the first job is to actually fill this dip tank with hot water. And also add the chemical. While that's filling up, you can start taking the racks out. If you remove the light coverings too, they can also go inside the dip tank. Next job is to remove the fan covers. You don't actually have to take these off, it just makes for a better job. Magnetised screwdriver, very useful. Make sure you keep the screws safe. Now I am not an oven technician, so I know some people take the actual fans off. That's not something I do because it's a little bit too close to the elements for my comfort and for my knowledge level. I will sometimes, depending on how bad they are, I will wipe the fans down if they've got covered in gunk. These ones aren't too bad, they're just discoloured. Right, so let's just have a quick look inside. I think you can see there's quite a bit of build up in that one. There's some gunk. Bit in that one too. I haven't taken these off simply because they seem to be bringing the actual fittings out and I don't want to cause any damage, so I will clean those in situ. Nice. Oh, well, I think what I haven't done is I haven't removed this glass and put this in the dip tank. So this one's an easy one, it just slides out. So we'll just take that out and pop that in the dip tank. This stuff is quite aggressive, so gloves and PPE are advised. These rubber seals, if these come out, I also take those out and put them in the dip tank too. But these ones actually don't come out. fixed in place. So make sure you've got this a good covering. I think you can see in there that has started to go brown. That's an indicator that the chemical is starting to work. That one's not quite so bad. This is the oven that's most heavily used. Literally just a few minutes in, probably about 5 minutes or so, just while I've been spraying the ovens, and you can already see the liquid in here has started to discolour considerably as it starts to bring off all the fats and so on. Right, so I'm just going to go and do some other things while I wait for all this stuff to activate. Right, I think you can see that the chemical has been quite busy at the same time that I have. So it's time to get to work shifting the gunk. What I always start with is a black scraper. Right, so once you've given them a good scrape, you can start to see the natural colour of the oven underneath. Once you've given everything a good scrape, it's a good idea then to give it a good wipe out, clean everything up, then you can see what's left, and then give it a respray while you go off and do those. Okay, so now it's dried out, you can see there are remnants left, and another spray and an attack with the scraper will sort all that out. Okay, so I'm just filling up the sink with water. We'll add some washing up liquid. And now it's time to start cleaning these off. Right, so I've cleaned all the racks and trays and stuff, and they're just left drying. And now it's time to finish off the interiors of the oven with the scrapers and scourers again. Right, so as you can see, it's getting there. Not looking too shabby, just a few little bits left. Same in the other one. The Just a few bits to get off. Right, so I've kind of got this to a state where I'm quite happy with it, but it's now a case of putting everything back. Okay, so apart from the clearing up of the floor around everything, we're all done. All shiny and all back reassembled. I hope you enjoyed that and I hope you found it useful. If you did, please let me know in the comments. If you've got any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. And if you've got any tips, top tips, by all means let me know. Feel free to subscribe to the channel and you'll get a notification from YouTube once I've uploaded a new video. And that's all for now. See you soon. Bye.